What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all some a 5 off 25 and some 10 off of 40s that you can do, or possibly use the coupons or whatever the case may be. Because only you will know what your household needs. So basically showing you stuff to build up your stockpile. Also, if that's what you are looking to do. But before we hop into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here is my first and lovely transaction, and I can't believe I only paid this amount for this transaction. We are gonna get into it. Okay, first off, y'all, I had picked up these 18 count pods. They are $9.95, and if you do not like the pods, feel free to pick up the liquid, the $9.95 liquid, but just be sure you scan it and make sure the coupon attaches. But this was $9.95. We have a $4 coupon attaching, making this just $5.95. Moving on to the Febreze fabric spray, it is on sale for $3.50. We have $2 coming off, making it $1.50. And then I got the Febreze Auto, and I just got the one with the one on it because it was $3.60, not $6, but $3.60. We have $2 coming off, making it just $1.60. Now for these items right here, y'all, they have where if you get Palmolive, Ajax, Fabuloso, Colgate items, and I think it's Suavitel as well. If you get $15 worth, you save 5 instantly. No coupons needed to be clipped for this deal. It automatically comes off. So the Ajax was $4. We have $1 off of that, making it 3. The Palmolive, and as you can see, I had got one of the new Palmolives, and it has like the pump on it. It says Easy Pump. Got one of those, and they were $3.95. We have $1 off of that as well, making it $2.95. And then I got the big jug of Fabuloso. It was $9. We have $1.50 off, making it $7.50 for this big old jug, y'all. This can last months if you are not selling and using this for your household. This is something that you must grab, but it's $7.50 after the coupon. So just for these items, you have to get to 15 to get that 5 off. I'm at $16.95 just with these 3 items. So the total for all of these items after coupons and before tax is $12.50, y'all. Yes. Yes, yes. I cannot believe I paid $12.50 for all of these good items, y'all. Making each item $2.08 each. Cannot beat that. Go ahead and clap it up for your girl. Okay, y'all, so that's the first transaction, but I have more. Do not worry. If you don't like this transaction, I got another transaction, and you don't have to mimic my transactions. You can pull an item, throw something else in, whatever the case may be. Don't coupon just to be couponing, and especially if you use these items in your household, because I know some people do not stockpile, some people do not sell, some people just coupon to stock up on items for their household that they use on a day-to-day basis. So let's get into the next transaction. I think y'all would love this next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction, and yes, getting stocked up on toilet paper and towel paper is such a relaxed feeling to me. I don't know about y'all, but I love getting stocked up on paper products. But anyway, y'all, I meant to tell y'all if I didn't, that first transaction I showed was a 5 off of 20. This right here is a 10 off of 40, starting off with the bounty for equals 8 double rows. It was, well, we have a coupon. I'm sorry, the coupon is a 5 off of 25 when you get Charmin Bounty Puffs, Bounty Essentials, all of those type of products. So I decided to get this bounty. It was $10.50, and this toilet paper 12 equals 48 was $15.50. So the two of these together was $26 even. That $5 is gonna come off with the coupon. It's not automatic. We have a coupon making both of these just $21. I made them $10.50 each. Then on the Scott, got two of the $5 toilet papers, so that's 10. We have a $2 coupon coming off, making them $8. And then I got two of the Scott towel papers. I didn't put it up here because it wasn't no room, and I wanted y'all to see everything I got. So I got two of those, and it's the one that says $5 on it, because I know they got another one. And if you're not paying attention, you can easily just pick up whatever. But they was $10 as well, with $2 coming off, making those $8. So the total for all of these paper products, y'all, was $27, and that was before taxes. You know I don't discuss tax because everybody's tax is different, making each of these items $4.50 each. Cannot beat that at all. And we are not through. Why y'all keep on trying to turn the video off? We are not through. I gotta show y'all more deals, y'all. So just hold on. You might as well get a snack, kick back and relax. And when y'all see this, y'all might want to run back to the store and do some of these transactions or more transactions. Because you probably are not happy with what you got today. So let me run it in real quick. Okay, let's check out this next transaction. Okay, y'all, next transaction in my arsenal. We have the cleaning, hair products, lotion, deodorant. We got bleach. And we also have some razors. Starting on the bleach, y'all. They have these in store with the POG tags. This marked 10% off. So, these are $3.38. We have a 50-cent coupon coming off, making this bleach this $2.88. And this is the big one. I know people right now not grabbing up those small Cloroxes, because you can use that 2 off of 2 coupon off. But why, when you can get a big bleach and basically do 2 transactions, getting these at $2.88, and probably come out cheaper than getting those little things of Clorox just because it's Clorox. Then got the Axe deodorant. They are $5.75 each, totaling $11.50. We have a big $7 coupon coming out for these, making them $4.50. Then on the Go Bond Healing, what is this, lotion? It's $5.85. We have $2.50 coming off, making this just $3.35. Then on the Tresemme, they are $6 each. We have, so that's totaling 12. We have a $4 coupon coming out for these, making them just, $8, $4 each for some Tresemme. It's not bad because usually when they have their deals at Walgreens, you'll end up paying, probably a little more than what you, paid today at the Dollar General. Then the Mr. Clean is $6. We have $2 coming off at as well, making it 4. Then on the Skintimate razors, I went with these because they are $6. We have a $2 coming off, making it 4. And it's another coupon that's floating around too. It's for $3 off of these, so you can use either coupon, doesn't matter, but I would rather use the $3 off to make this transaction even cheaper. But if you just have the $2 one, that is fine as well. So the total after coupons for these items, and this is a 10 off of 40 as well. The total's gonna run you $16.38, making each item $2.04 each. So in my eyes, everything I got was worth it, and I still was $2 and under. Cause if I would have went to, like, say for instance, if each item was $4 or $5 each, that means I did not good because this bleach was only two something after coupons. So if I divide the total and how many items I got, and if it was over two something dollars, that means I did bad on the transaction. But in some people's eyes, ain't no transaction bad as long as your coupon's attached to that particular item. But everybody's couponing strategy and way of thinking is different, and that is okay as long as we are getting these deals. So that's that transaction. I got one more that I want to show y'all, and then we are gonna be wrapping this video up. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction, and I am sorry to say, y'all, that this transaction did not make the cut, y'all. I did not get 5 off of 25 on this because I was trying to do a 10 off of 40, so therefore I didn't hand him the coupon and didn't have it clipped because I saved these right here, these coupons, so I don't have to deal with the app and having to clip this one first and remembering to clip that, because if you clip both of them and wanted to do a 10 off of 40, you would have to do a 5 off of 25 first in order to get your 10 off of 40. So to avoid all of that confusion, I just saved these to the next weekend, cut them, and put them in my pocket or purse, and I'm good to go. So make sure you keep these because it saves a lot of confusion about what needs to be clipped in the app at this time and all of that. But you just whip these out, and plus it's make sure that it comes off basically, because you can see it come off. Because sometimes people will think that it came off, and then when they see their receipt or something, they be like, oh, it didn't even come off, and don't know why and all of that. So I think these paper coupons are a lifesaver. But anyway, so y'all, I didn't get nothing out for this transaction. I really feel like taking it back, but I really need the cleaning stuff. So I'm just basically like, forget it, it's over, done with, and I got cleaning and house stuff to do today, so I'm just over it. But anyway, I'm showing y'all this because maybe y'all can do this and add to it, take away from it, and turn it into a 5 off of 25, or make it an actual 10 off of 40, because it's crazy. It's just not. But these items right here are fabuloso. You spend $15, you get 5 off automatically. So they were $5 each, and that $5 comes off automatic. So that's where it messed me up at. So all three of these was $10. Then on the Tide, it was $15.95. We have $3 off, making it $12.95. Then on the towel paper, it was $5.95. We have $1 off, making it $4.95. And then on these Clorox toilet cleaners, they were $3.25 each. So it will total you $6.50. Then we have at 2 off for 2 coming off, making them $4.50. So the total for all of these items before taxes was $31.80. And like I said, if I just would have added one more item onto this, I could have got that 10 off or 40 off regardless. So just keep that in mind. And everybody makes mistakes, and I just don't want to show y'all that I don't make mistakes, but I do, because everybody does. And I'm showing you where I messed up on this at and how it can be fixed. And y'all, that is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.